Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the IAM. Okay. So what is the user, what is the role, what is the policies. So we are talking about it. So this video is part of a series video. So you can watch our this video would be around 2 or 3 sessions. So you can watch all the videos onto there. So these are the things like a group user, role, policies, all of these things. So first we will cover one by one. So if we will go to group, so how we will design a group. So we can create a group about access levels. So what access we want to provide, suppose I choose the admin, so administrator access. Now we can create a group. So admin group was created. Now another group, developers group. So in the developer group I am choosing only EC2 permission, EC2 full access, so that it can create a EC2 stance and all things, not else any other. So now we have two groups, admin and developers. So now we will create a users, assign a group. So now user will choose around Thomas. Username would be Thomas, and the access would be a management console, auto generated password. Once I will push the password, and we have to change once we log in or first time. Okay, so we'll create a user. Now we need to assign a group, which group you want to prefer for user. So admin, the next and next. Now it's created. Yeah, user created. Username is Thomas and password for one time. After that it won't be changed, and you can download the CSV even to transfer a user so that he can log in easily. So this is the URL where we need to log in. The account ID would be here. From this account ID we can log in because it's associated with this account. Go to new window and log in because I have a different multiple users. So yes, now the account ID is there. So this is associated with my account. Now if I'll type the user, this is our user, and we can check the password here. So we'll copy the password and paste it there. Yeah, now we can put the old password and new password so that we can change the password according to the user. And there you go, you logged in with that Thomas account, so which is a part of an admin group. So this user can create, like, utilize all the AWS resources. So it can create a IAM group, IAM user for other account. So basically the admins were how they are working like that in a corporate nature. So now I am creating a user which is a part of a developer team from this Thomas account. It's not a root account, so nobody suggests a root account. So developer name is a Dean. So we don't need to assign any policy for a user because we already choose a policies into a group, so that we directly assign a group, and that's the go. We can directly move forward. Again, we got the user and credentials for first time login. So here I want to put a user account ID, so which is a common account ID. So it will work for all users, all IAM users. Okay, so whatever the IAM user will create, it will work like that. Okay, so it's not suggesting. Okay, I think I need to paste it. Okay, I need to copy the user ID from here. Yes, this is the account ID, and I copy, pasted, user change. Yeah, sorry, the user is done. The password is now. Yeah, came to same video. Again, old password, new password. Again, retype. And now we are logging into a DIN account. So it is a part 1. So we can move. We can meet you in like a next part.